Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐴𝐲 with another tutorial whether how you can reinstate your Medium account. Well, a couple of months ago, my Medium account has been suspended and I couldn't understand whether why exactly it has been suspended because I didn't receive no email regarding the suspension. And when I tried to search my profile using another browser, it gave me 410 error mentioning that this account is under investigation or was found in violation of the Medium rules. So when I checked the reasons, it did not give me any specific reason. Instead, it showed some general reasons due to which an account is suspended. Where Medium also mentioned that an account violating our rules and policies will be suspended without notice. So I didn't find any clue whether why exactly my account has been suspended. So I checked the rules and policies to understand it better. And it showed artificial intelligence content policy at the top of the list. And I thought that's the reason why my account has been suspended, because I have been using AI tools to write articles. So first, I have gone through all my articles and rewrote the ones I used AI tools to write. Then I made an appeal and clarified to the Medium team that I have edited all the articles. And I've also clarified that I don't use Medium to promote products or services. Then I attached my profile homepage screenshot and submitted it. It then gave me a pop-up message to check my emails to verify the request. So check the verification email and click on the provided link. And here you can see that not just my email address has been confirmed, but also my request has also been submitted. And after a few hours, I have received an email from Medium mentioning that my Medium account has been restored. Also, they have mentioned that my account had been flagged and automatically suspended by their spam filters. And using AI tools to write articles is one of the major sources of triggering this spam filter. Anyhow, when I opened my Medium account, it did not show any sign of being suspended. And when I checked the stats of my account, it started showing in the search. And here you can see that my account had been suspended in February. Also, when I searched my profile using another browser, it started showing up in the search. Well, in general, while using Medium, you have to be careful using AI tools to write articles and then embedding external links. Anyhow, this is how you can reinstate your Medium account, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.